Junior WAEC, which we normally call BECE in Lagos State. If you are writing Junior WAEC and if you are in JS3 or you have a child in JS3, you have your word preparing for this exam, this is your timetable. I will guide you through it, and aside guiding you through the timetable, I will also send you this timetable. If you are not in Lagos, this one is for Lagos, but if you are currently not in Lagos, if you are in Enugu, Anambra, Kano, any state that is not Lagos, and you also want this timetable, of course, I can't do video about all the states. But if you want this particular video, just subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Go down and subscribe. Then come under this video and tell me you have subscribed. Just go to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, subscribe right now. Come under this video and tell me you have subscribed. Then I will send you this, your own state timetable. Okay, so right now, the memo we have is that the Junior WAEC for this year will start 8th to 15th of June. In Enugu, it is 19th June. You get? So there are fluctuations in the dates per state. Some states are starting 8th, some others are starting by 15th. I hope you are with me. So we have this first business studies and Arabic studies, right? Then we have basic science and technology, then CRF on Thursday. Then we have English, which is basically the objective and theory. It will last for 1 hour and all the rest. Then we'll have your mathematics, national values. It will be followed by pre-vocational studies. Pre-vocational studies, then CCA. This is just a rundown of what the exam will look like. Of course, if you're in Delta State, I can send you your own timetable and all the rest. Whatever state you are in that you need a timetable, simply get across to me immediately. We'll try and forward the timetable. But beyond sending you the timetable, I encourage you to head over to our YouTube channel, because you need to prepare for the exam. Your child, yourself, anybody needs to prepare for this exam. So we have classes in our YouTube channel right now that you or your child can benefit from, ranging from classes on mathematics, physics, chemistry, English language, many subjects. So go to our YouTube channel right now. And if you have questions on anything concerning your studies, please let me know right now. Don't swallow your questions. Anywhere you're having difficulties, anywhere you're having challenges, ask me those questions right now, and we'll see a way to help you to pass and pass very well. So go ahead, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. If you have questions, if you don't understand this timetable or anything, subscribe, ask me your questions, and I and my team will begin to help you to resolve them. If there's any mistake you notice as you are preparing, also feel free to ask us. Thank you so much.